What's up everybody, welcome to another interesting tech review. Today we are taking a closer look at the Ortur H20. With its advanced laser technology and high precision, let's see how it performs in real-world engraving tasks. Ortur H20 offers precision and flexibility with an easy setup and a clean wireless design. Supporting both blue and infrared light, it handles a variety of materials including wood, metal, leather and acrylic. Its powerful 40-watt laser ensures deep cuts in a single pass, while the integrated airflow system keeps the workspace free of smoke and dust, enhancing safety and convenience. For anyone seeking efficient and versatile engraving, Ortur H20 combines powerful performance with a user-friendly design, making it a solid choice for both personal projects and professional tasks.